Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to disable all notifications on Facebook. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to help you customize your notification settings on the Facebook app. Let's get started. First, open your Android phone's settings. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon, or by locating the Settings app in your app drawer. Next, navigate to the Apps section in your Settings menu. This is where you can find a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list and find the Facebook app. Once you've located it, tap on it to open the app settings. Within the Facebook app settings, locate the Notifications option. This is where you can customize the notification settings for the app. Tap on Notifications to access the notification settings for the Facebook app. Here, you will see various options for controlling the notifications you receive from Facebook. To disable all notifications from Facebook, simply turn off the toggle for Show Notifications. This will disable all notifications from the Facebook app, including notifications for messages, comments, likes, and other activities. Once you've turned off the toggle for Show Notifications, you will no longer receive any notifications from the Facebook app on your Android device. And that's it. You have successfully disabled all notifications on Facebook. Feel free to revisit these steps if you ever want to re-enable notifications or customize your notification settings further. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.